Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As you may have seen from the news, this winter there's been wave after wave of strikes here in the UK. There's been an unprecedented amount of industrial action. We've seen border guards go on strike, lawyers go on strike, and at the moment train workers are going on strike again for the 6th or 7th time, I think. Basically because they, along with many other groups of workers, are really sick and tired of being offered pay deals well below inflation, especially while shareholders in their companies cream off huge profits at their expense. This morning I heard a particularly testy exchange between a government minister and a railway union member on the radio news, and the government minister basically accused the railway unions of trying to bring the country to its knees. The union leader responded very quickly by laughing and saying, seriously? The country has been on its knees for the last 12 years under this particular government, and that's why we're all on strike. So let's be clear about cause and effect here. If you bring a country or a company or a person to its knees or their knees, you basically almost completely destroy it. You cause it to become very weak. You put it in a very weak and vulnerable position. And if you say a country or a company is on its knees, it's basically on the verge of collapse. It's almost completely destroyed. So you might hear people complaining that Brexit has brought Britain to its knees. It's really damaged the country. It's left us in a far weaker position than we were before. You sometimes hear on the news that the economy is on its knees. It's almost collapsing. On a more positive note, you might hear people boasting that the company they took over a few years ago was on its knees when they arrived, but they've managed to turn it around and make it a huge success. And as I said, it can also sometimes be used to talk about people. So you might hear people say something like, my divorce basically brought me to my knees. I went through a couple of very dark years, but I'm over the worst of it now and I'm on the up again. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use bring something to its knees or be on its knees.